trip to Thailand with Ayyappan Kutty from Wake Up Vacation was amazing and absolutely breathtaking. Wat Benchamabofit Dusitwanram is a Buddhist temple in the Dusit district of Bangkok, Thailand. Also known as the Marble Temple, it is one of Bangkok's best-known temples and a major tourist attraction. It typifies Bangkok's ornate style of high gables, stepped-out roofs and elaborate finials. Construction of the temple began in 1899 at the request of King Chulalongkorn after building his palace nearby. The temple's name literally means the temple of the fifth king located near Dusit Palace. It was designed by Prince Naris, a half-brother of the king, and is built of Italian marble.
Buddham Saranam Gacchami Dhammam Saranam.
It has display of Carrara marble pillars, a marble courtyard and two large singhas, lions, guarding the entrance to the bot.
Buddham Saranam Gacchami.
The interiors are decorated with crossbeams of lacquer and gold, and in shallow niches in the walls of paintings of important stupas all over the country. The cloister around the assembly hall houses 52 statues of Buddha. 1. Inside the ordination hall, Ubosot, is a Sukhothai-style Buddha statue named Phara Buddhajinaraja, cast in 1920 after the original in Wat Mahathat in Phitsanulok. The main Buddha image is a copy of Phara Buddha Chinarat that resides in Phitsanulok in northern Thailand. The ashes of King Chulalongkorn are buried beneath the statue. In the gallery surrounding the ordination hall are 52 Buddha statues, each showing different mudras, signs. Collected by Prince Damrong Rajnubhab for his king. The temple was featured in the famous The Amazing Race 9 as the 10th and final elimination pit stop. The site contains the Benchamabofit National Museum. Merit makers come to the monks of the temple for getting alms every morning. The image of the temple's facade is visible on the reverse side of the 5 baht coin of the Thai currency. Between 6 o'clock to 7:30 in the morning, monks line up on Nakho Patho with their bowls to receive donations of curry, rice, lotus buds, incense, toiletries and other essentials. The evening candlelight procession around the bot during the Buddhist festivals of Magha Puja in February and Vishak Puja in May are common at this temple. This is the most important statue in the Marble Buddha temple. It is also a very large Buddha statue. It is estimated that about 95% of Buddhists are in Thailand. Therefore, there are many Buddhist temples here. This is our dear friend Tukku Mash. A very funny man, a good man who makes our journey beautiful with his words, and a lover of friendships.
Buddham Saranam Gacchami Dhammam Saranam Gacchami.
Sandhya teacher, Ambili teacher and Cine Mary Kurian is admiring the beauty of the temple.
A very clean, green and beautiful place. A very beautiful temple in Bangkok to see and enjoy without the crowds. It will never disappoint travelers looking for peace and quiet.
This is a banyan tree brought from Bodh Gaya, India. The banyan tree was brought from the place where Buddha attained enlightenment on the orders of the local king. It is a symbol of purity and peace.
Virmani Sikhapadam Smadhyami
Adinnadana Virmani Sikhapadam Smadhyami
Kame Samichachara Virmani Sikhapadam Smadhyami
Musavada Virmani Sikhapadam Smadhyami
Sura mere majpaman Dathana Virmani Sikhapadam Smadhyami.
Two Ambili teachers are enjoying the ancient Buddhist drums of Marble Temple.
Buddham Saranam Gacchami
Dhammam Saranam Gacchami
Dutiyampi Buddham Saranam